Welcome to the Built by Rich channel. Check out the video and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get it.
Brand new, very first carbon fiber and gloss for the 240Z S30 chassis. Get yours at VintageCarbon. Also got the VintageCarbon spoiler, but it looks pretty dope. Check it out, check it out. Super wet. All right.
Well, the office is on top of us.
Hey, so once we lay it, once we put this on, we're gonna warm up the tape after again, all right? So that way it's more on the outside instead of just the inside. Cause it's cold right now. Hey bro, your windows are clicking. Yeah. For 350. Here's 700.
I want like a U shape.
Oh yeah, that one for 350. Not on.
I think I'm burning up.
Before we take off the tape. Test fit. And then I'm gonna clean up the window with the other motor. Alright, so check out the line right there. How much is on this one? So basically, that's what we're working with. Like it's dirty.
Which is like, it better be. I cleaned it like 3 times.
But it's because that shit's cold right now. So that 3M tape needs to be warm to activate all the adhesive. So we got this adhesive remoter from 3M. Nice and clean up on here. And the edging where we're going to be putting the louvers on, which is basically a U-tape line, just like I'm flowing right here. Straight on the edge to the top. This is going to lead to the top. Right there, you see that?
Am I right corner? Where you got? Your corner or no?
Yeah, you got the homies here.
Well, you're gonna put one end first. Let's take out the tape.
Installing the very first carbon fiber louver for the S30s. Sheesh.
I'm all the way up.
Take out the other one too. Listen down that.
Gap right here on your side though. Is there a gap on that side?
How much we got?
I got about 50.
It's about the same.
Yeah, that's it.
Damn, Gina.
How's that torch? I don't think we can burn that one.
No.
That'll be too hot for.
No, there's a way. You gotta know how to use a torch, bro.
It's like I know what I'm doing.
I rap, bro. I rap with torches.
Yeah.
It's just to get the fiber warm. So I'm not applying a direct heat. It's basically get the car.
What you think, Oscar? What you think?
This is looking at a YouTube video.